Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to GC Focus. I'm your host, Jacob, teaching you how to be a game changer by picking things up and putting them down. But, oh shoot, I'm not dressed for the video. Toss me that. That was close. Okay, now that we're into our new merchandise, thanks to everybody over at Twitch and Streamlabs for putting that together. What you came here for was to find out what was the best monitor for the budget. And you're gonna find out just that right after this.
Didn't even get to bronze.
And the budget gaming monitor of choice we're choosing to talk about today is the Asus 3D capable 248QE. 144 Hz, 1 millisecond refresh time. A beautiful monitor. As you may know from following the esports, 144 Hz is the gaming standard, holds bar to none. It's like overclocking your eyes. It's just so much more information coming in all at once. If you're bumping up from a 60 Hz, I promise you're gonna be able to notice a difference between the smooth clarity. It's like all that panning back and forth that would normally go blurry, you're able to make it out. Listen, I don't always die in my first-person shooters, but when I do, it's from 60 Hz and a bad refresh time. Price is definitely the value, and coming in at only 250 USD in most places. It's not crazy expensive and it's not cheap. I think it's a great value for the price. If you're going with a 144 Hz gaming monitor in the near future, then something like this 1080 pixel panel is going to be right up your alley. In my opinion, this is definitely one of the more popular monitors. I was certainly drawn to it and it's readily available. I picked mine up at a Best Buy. This monitor does have one HDMI, one DVI, and one display port, along with one mic jack. Not only that, but it has 2-watt speakers of decent quality built into the monitor itself. Now just a note here on the side, you do typically have to use a display port cable to get the full 144 Hz. You can achieve your 144 Hz setting by going into your display properties. Be sure to check that out. Start by right-clicking on the desktop. After you right-click on the desktop, you'll be selecting Display Settings, scrolling down, and selecting the Advanced Display Settings. Once you do that, you can select the monitor of choice, seeing what Hertz rate is at, display advanced properties to change the Hertz setting. Once you do that, you can select the monitor and then the Hertz. If you don't see 144 Hertz available, it means that you're being limited by the display style cable that you're using, HDMI, display, or HDMI. Be sure that you're using the right cable and port to support the 144 Hz of the monitor. The monitor is fully adjustable with a height of 110 millimeters and a left and right of 45-degree turn and a tilt of -5 to 15 degrees. You can also pivot the display 90 degrees to portrait. The base plate is a nice 360-degree design with a 3D logo inside of it, showing off that the monitor is 3D capable. It does not come with the NVIDIA version 2 kit, which is needed for viewing multi-dimensional content. You will need to get one additionally. The back mount plate of the monitor does have a nice cable management feature. The monitor is 22.4 inches wide, 19.7 inches high, and 9.1 inches deep including the stand, weighing in at 12.1 pounds. One of the beautiful things about this monitor is that you can track your response and accuracy without blurring as much. This monitor has a contrast ratio of 80 million to 1, a 16.7 million color range, 1 millisecond response time, and a 93.1% sRGB color accuracy. Basically, this will just be an amazing gaming monitor. The bezel around the monitor is a little large for my liking, but it is definitely not bad for the price. The screen is really nice in the fact that it does offer an anti-glare. The monitor also has a blue light filter, which is great for eye fatigue. It does offer a crosshair option, which may not be for everyone, but it's a nice added feature for those who want it. The headphone jack mentioned earlier is a really nice feature if you're wanting to take this monitor traveling and you don't want to disturb your other guests. You can plug in your headphones straight into the monitor. If you've made it all the way to the end of this video, I really appreciate it and thank you so much. Please don't forget to hit that sub button and click the bell for notifications for future awesome content. As well, if you'd like to support the channel, you can check out my creator links below, Twitch, Instagram, Patreon, or if you love the new merchandise that we brought up with the t-shirts for the gaming channel, feel free to check that out as well. I'll leave all those links down below. And as always, don't forget to be a game changer.
Apologies, just in a keyboard or shot without fucking does rock, I'm done.
What? So toxic.
Oh my god, I have no help.
That, I don't know how
Oh, he ran into it! Are you kidding? Stupid thermite grenade conquerors.
Rip. Did I get somebody?
Oh! There it is again.
What? I got bodied.
Oh my god, I got a clat? Don't on.
You stupid Indian.